guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today my name is Nike and I am that Richard from Katie. As you guys all know, guys, Merry Christmas. Today has been a really busy day for myself, the whole family, but still in the spirit of prepping for Christmas. I want you guys to meet a special guest today. That's my mom. We're gonna be making the Nigerian Chin Chin. Now guys, this is my mom's recipe. This is how she used to make that beautiful chin chin when we were kids. So guys, stay tuned. We'll just make this yummy, delicious chin chin. I can't wait, guys. My last video inspired this chin chin today. I had to beg my mom to make this chin chin so we can eat this chin chin because I've missed this chin chin. And to be honest with you guys, it's been a long time I had this chin chin because I don't even know how to make this chin chin in the first place. I want my mom's chin chin. You guys know. Mom, say hi. Okay, so guys, my mom is ready. Mommy, so will you be showing us the ingredients we'll be using for this chin chin recipe today?
Yeah, we're going to be using eggs, baking powder, butter, salt, flour, milk, and sugar.
Okay. So what's the next step we're going to be doing?
Now I'm going to start breaking the egg. Only the yolk inside I will need.
Okay, all right, awesome. So guys, mom is saying we're going to be needing only the yolk for the egg. As I said, this is my mom's home chin chin recipe. Guys, my mom is not going to be measuring anything. It's just her recipe because she's not used to measurement. So mommy, what's this first? The flour.
This flour.
Table.
You can see it. For the purpose of this video,
yeah,
I don't need to use much.
So we're just going to be making very little chin chin for today.
Very little for today. I wish everybody's here to have a taste of all this.
Mommy, this is your chin chin recipe. Is this how people used to do it in the village?
Yeah, I got it from my teacher.
Oh, your home economics teacher.
My home economics teacher in secondary school, Rio, while I was in Form 2. Then we call it Form 2.
Okay.
Not JS as it's being called now.
Okay.
This is baking powder. I don't need much of it, just a pinch of it.
That's salt.
This is salt. Guys, you don't need much of it. And, sugar.
Okay.
I don't like sugar.
Okay, so guys, from what I say, she added the flour, the baking powder, the sugar, the salt, mixed it, and then now she's about to add some butter. What do you want on next? Okay, here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. This is okay.
But mommy, this chin chin is small. When we're small, you used to make plenty now.
And that's this for the purpose of video. I don't need to make plenty now.
Why now? Oh, we need to be taken to work too now.
Okay, you can make it now.
Guys, did you hear that? My mom came for me. She said if I want plenty chin chin, I should make it myself.
This has to be well mixed.
Okay.
So that the ingredients will balance.
So, like, for how long do we keep mixing this?
Oh, it won't take time. I'm almost done. You can see.
But how do you know when it's done? That's the question.
You can see that the milk, that the butter has been absorbed inside.
Okay, so technically, it doesn't need a lot of butter. Is that what you're saying?
Not a lot of butter. You don't need to put a lot of it.
Okay.
I hope I'm cleared.
Yeah. Did you used to get Christmas clothes like us?
Sometimes. It wasn't all the time.
Okay.
Sometimes. It wasn't all the time. As I said, Christmas was a special period.
Yeah.
A special time in our place.
Yeah.
And my mother would prepare our local kunu.
Kunu zaki.
Kunu zaki.
What kind of kunu?
Kunu with a guinea corn without sugar, and it was really sweet. Yeah, it was a time of giving, sharing with neighbors, brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
When he's giving, he'll say, "Take it, Lydia. Come and take it to your auntie." Now that is Yuana. Yuana means Joanne. That's how they call Joanne in Gwari. You say Yuana. I say Mailea. Mailea means mommy, Mary.
Okay.
Now I'm done with this. You can see. I don't need to put. Now I want to put egg.
Okay. So basically, what you're saying is the yolk of the egg. You still
Only
beat
the
it.
yolk. Yeah.
You still have to beat it before you pour it in.
Yes. That's what I'm doing. You can see. That's what I'm doing. We don't use water.
Yeah.
No. So now you can see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Guys, this is already looking yummy. I can't wait to have change. Memories.
I remember in those days,
Yeah.
we the kids in the compound, my brothers and my cousins, we used to do contribution during the Christmas period
Really?
in order to buy Coca-Cola.
Oh my goodness, guys, did you hear that? Like, my mom just actually said she and her
Buy
siblings,
Coca-Cola,
cousins,
buy-
used to like save up money
Yeah.
and contribute the money together so they
Yeah.
could be able to buy Coca-Cola.
Yes.
During,
Fanta.
oh my God, during the Christmas period. Christmas must have been a really special moment, has always been, and I think will always continue to be a special moment. People go the extra mile all because of Christmas. Wow, mommy, so it used to be like a big deal for you guys.
Yeah,
then.
it was. It
Oh
was.
my
Everybody look
goodness.
up to that. Let me tell you, some families eat rice just once in a year.
Wow.
Some families eat meat once in a year.
Wow.
You know, they can boast of meat. That's the only time. So it was really a special period.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So, mommy, can we see what this has turned into?
Yeah, you can see now. I have mixed everything.
Yeah.
Remaining milk is the last stage.
Okay.
Milk is the last stage.
Okay.
You can see. Do you see what is going on?
Yeah. Guys, you can see the butter. She didn't put so much milk. And remember, guys, as I said, this is my mom's recipe. So, guys, she hasn't achieved the desired texture yet. So she's gonna be adding a little bit of flour.
Yes. I love it. That's all. I've gotten it. I've gotten it. I have gotten it. I'm happy about it. Yeah. That's all. Listen. I've gotten what I wanted. So let me be. Now I'll start. I will knit it
Okay.
and start cutting and ready for fry.
So she sprinkled a little bit of flour on the chopping board.
I will need the oil be heated now.
Okay. Okay, mommy.
Can you do that for me?
Yes, ma. Okay.
how sweet it is. It's not like other chin chins that they use water. I use water for my chin chin.
Right.
No. Good chin chin does not require water. Does not require water. No. Only milk.
Yeah.
The egg yolk.
Yeah.
Flour.
Yeah.
A pinch of sugar. And a pinch of salt. And baking powder. That's all. Some people use vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Well, in some occasions, because of the situation, our people say man must work. Or what man go do?
So basically, what you're saying is that for those that cannot afford butter,
Yeah.
they can as well get
Vegetable oil.
Yeah, vegetable oil.
But they will not get the desired results.
Yeah.
And let me put it in the fire.
Guys, this is the chin chin. This is how I like mine cut. As you can see, my mom, she made two different types. Hers is cut bigger. This is how she likes it. I like mine medium average. It's just too big for me. Like when I'm eating chin chin. Alright guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Guys, if you like what you see, cheers mommy. Guys, if you like what you see, please remember to hit the like button. And also subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button. Alright, thank you. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. God bless you.